Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel J Education. Now we are going to learn and write 10-line essay on apple. Let's start. 1. Apple is a fruit. 2. It is red in color. 3. It is sweet in taste. 4. It has small seeds in it. 5. It is very good for our health. 6. It is rich in vitamin, iron and fiber. 7. It is used to make juice, jelly, jam, etc. 8. It is grown in hilly areas. 9. We should eat an apple every day. 10. Apple is my favorite fruit. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.